Hey guys, in today's video, let's see how we can use VBA to test if a date parameter is null. We start with our sub declaration. Let's call this test date null. Next, let's declare and set our worksheet variable. Dim ws as worksheet. Set ws equals this workbook.sheets bracket quotes dates quotes bracket. Following which, we will also declare a date variable as a variant. Dim date variable as variant. Date variable equals ws cells open bracket 1 comma 1 close bracket dot value. We are going to use this date variable to do our checks. Now that we have declared and set our variables, we are going to use if statements to check if the cell contains a date, is null, or contains something other than a date. So the first thing we check is if the date variable is empty or is an empty string. Next, we check if it is even a date at all, and if so, we print out the format. And finally, if it is not null or empty but contains something other than a date, we check for that. Finally, the code is done. Let's test it out. Let's do the null or empty scenario first. As you can see, cell A1 is empty. So when we run the macro, we should get that date is null or empty message. And we do. Let's now try it with the date. We should see a message that it is not null and what the date is. Again, it works. Hope you guys found this video on how to use VBA to test if date parameter is null useful. As always, the code will be up on the site shortly.